Trig Laws Example 4. Looking at our triangle, we have an angle of 12 degrees. Next to that, we have a side X that we're going to be looking for the length of, and our angle of 140 degrees. And next to that, we have a side of 16 meters. With our given information, we're going to have to use law of sines. We cannot use law of cosines because we do not have three sides and we don't have two sides with an included angle. So we're going to have to use law of sines. In order to use law of sines, I am first going to have to find the other missing angle. To do that, we should know that the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So we can say 180 minus 140 and 12. So 180 minus 152. And if we subtract that, our angle will be 28 degrees. So we're going to use that angle to help us find our x since it is opposite that x. So our equation for our law of sines, we will have x over sine 28 equals, and we're going to have to use the one with the other side, so that would be the 12, and it goes with the 16. So 16 over sine of 12.